What's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor, and welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, your favorite excuse to day drink. Today's holiday is going to be centered around National Bartender and Mixology Day, so make sure we're tipping our bartenders every time that we're going out and having a good time at the bars, guys. For this specific recipe, we're going to be making the paper plane. Now, super interesting. I feel like we've all had bourbon, we've all had Aperol and lemon juice, which are some of the ingredients in this, but a bottle that I'm sure not many people have on their lineup is the Amaro Nonino. Now, this can be best described as probably an Italian grape brandy. I would say that's the best description that I can find for you guys. It's a super interesting flavor that can be drinking neat on its own if you haven't had it. It's super unique, very botanical too, but I'm gonna be using it to be making the paper plane today. So we're going to be adding 1 ounce of bourbon, 1 ounce of Amaro Nonino, 1 ounce of Aperol, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Drop in our ice cube and get shaken. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be smoking my glass with Applewood. I think that's going to be a beautiful pair for the rest of this drink, very on par for the smoke show. And I don't think it's gonna drown anything out. I think it's gonna pair nicely with the Aperol here. So we're gonna go ahead and give that one a smoke. Clip on our little paper plane garnish right there. And that is beautiful. Guys, that is how you make the smoked paper plane. So I'm very excited to try this specific version using our 10th Mountain Whiskey and this specific bottle of Amaro Nonino. But without further ado, cheers everybody. Oh wow. Okay, the Applewood pear was absolutely on point, on the money. That's a beautiful smoke layer right on top there. I gotta put this drink down. If I don't put it down now, I'm not gonna have anything left to take photos of. This is a 10 out of 10 drink that I truly recommend to you. Whether it's going out in the middle of the day with the hot sun beating down on you, it's a really refreshing, vibrant drink, or if you're just going out on a nice hot summer night, this is definitely gonna be the drink for you guys to try this summer. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, leave a comment letting me know if you end up trying this one, or if you do, make sure to post us on socials and tag us. I always love reposting your guys' creations. But don't forget to turn on that post-subscribe notification bell. Stay tuned to further drinking holidays just like this one. But I'll see you guys next week. Cheers. I don't think that went anywhere that I thought it was gonna go.